guys, it is week 5. Therefore, after this week, we only have 2 more weeks. Ooh, 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 ooh. All right, guys, so there's a few things I want to remind you. Don't forget, first of all, music and art. Don't forget to do that and submit that to them. Second thing, I hope all of you will join us on Tuesday at 1 o'clock for our WebEx meeting. It's going to be a fun little scavenger hunt. You will get to see each other, talk to each other, and we're going to play a fun little game. Your invitation to that should have been sent to your email. So if you click on the red and white app that says Gmail, go there and you will find the invitation. And you just click on the link. It should be super easy. But you do have to have internet. Also, this week we are going to be focusing on Native Americans. We're going to be reading a few stories and doing a fun WebEx over some Native Americans. And then on Thursday, you're going to be reading about the worst trip ever. Math, we're going to be learning about area and perimeter. So I wanted to remind you a few things before you get started. Area is length times width. That means if I have, and that is for a square or rectangle, if I have 4 inches by 2 inches, for the area, I would just take 4 times 2, which is 8. Now, don't forget to leave off what is it you're measuring, those units, okay? That's very important. Am I measuring feet, inches, miles, yards? Make sure you put that. And remember, when we're talking about area, we're talking about the inside of it, not just the line. So therefore, it is going to be 8 inches squared, which is that little number 2, or 8 square inches, okay? When we're talking about perimeter, if we have the same exact square, which is 4 inches by 2 inches, perimeter, you just add up all the sides. Or an easier way is if you take the length and the width and you add those together, okay? Length times width, you're going to add those together. That looks like times. Let me fix it. Okay? Then you take your answer and times it by 2 because you have 2 of these sides and 2 of these sides. So if I was to do that, I would take 4 plus 2 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. Now, on this one, we are only talking about the line. Therefore, it is not squared. It would just be 12 inches. So make sure on your homework and your work this week, if it's area, make sure you square it. If it's perimeter, just make sure you tell me what units. I need to know. That's very, very important, okay? You guys have an amazing week, and I hope to see you Tuesday at 1. See ya.